Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to clear your browsing history and cookies on Google Chrome. So first you'll want to open up Google Chrome as we have here. And then you'll go to the top right of your screen where it shows this 3-button icon. It's kind of like a menu icon. Click on that. Then you go down to settings. Click on settings. After you're at settings, come to the left navigation bar over here where it says there's a bunch of stuff here. Go to privacy and security, and then the first thing that shows up here is your browsing data. So to clear it, you can clear your history, browsing history, which clears it. It clears your cookies and other site data, and also clears or deletes cached images and files. So this is good for if your computer's slowing down and you haven't done this in a long time. And it's good to so sites don't have your information and track you, because they always try to put ads or try to sell your stuff so they can give more ads to you. But the thing is, if you delete all of them, you might also delete saved username and passwords, because that also counts as cookies. Anyways, you just click you can choose a time range, so last hour, last 7 days, or all time. I'm gonna do all time. You just click clear data, and then you just wait for it, and then yep, that's all you have to do. And here it shows cookies. You can change the settings. It's like you can allow or you can block, and then there's a lot of stuff you can do, and that is how you can clear your browsing history and your cookies if you're having trouble with that. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.